Good morning folks, welcome to my channel. So yesterday we have completed most of the difficult stuffs, specifically the shock absorbers rise, and along with that the tire change and other major stuff, the very basic stuff. Now it's more like the remaining work that has to be done. Let's go. Okay, so that's the development for today. We have got the seat plate done. It will be cushioned tomorrow. We have a 30 number nut here. This has got placed. You can check it in the photo. The front brackets and the mudguard is mounted. Most of the things are sorted. I guess only few things like the silencer is left. Then the meter console, which has to be fabricated here itself, as there is no appropriate meter for this particular bike available. Also there would be calibration issues, so we have chosen to use the mechanism of max100 only. The filter would remain as such. The most of the silhouette of the bike is complete. I guess tomorrow in the evening or maybe the day after we would be doing the test ride of the same. And in case if you are going to stay along with indicators, we are going to have the indicators dial too, which would be showing neutral and other telltale signs. So that was the development of today's effort. We started early today at around, I guess 9:30 or maybe like 10 o'clock. That was early because usually this guy comes at around 12 o'clock or something. Tejas, hi bol. Hi to bol. Hi. This is his store. It's called Jamnagari Body Works. That's our beautiful Duke. And I don't know, I have not yet named this thing. I'm thinking of naming it, say something like Impala, or maybe something light and capable. Let's go! I love this bike.